Hey everybody, Travis Holzem with Food Foret Design Solutions, and I'm just ending my day at Cedar Grove Farm, and everything I wanted to accomplish today I got finished. And so basically the entire fence is finished except the rodent barrier, which I'm gonna come out and do Saturday. And well, I gotta come out Saturday. I gotta clip all of the zip ties for the fence, but I'm gonna turn you around and show you what this fence looks like all the way complete. 8 feet high, 150 feet long by 85 feet wide, and did it basically all by myself. And here we go. I'm gonna turn you around, and corner to corner, there's the gate. I have it tied shut so it don't open. I gotta mess with the ground a little bit to make sure those gates go smooth in and out, and then also put the ground anchor in, the ground pin, whatever you want to call it, ground cane that will hold the door shut. And so that's it. And then the rodent barrier. And as you can see, I wrapped everything. I wrapped the gates, and if you can see that, there's 3 of those stakes in every panel holding down the bottom of the fence. But I'll just take you for a walk around, and you can see it's a solid structure. No deer is getting in here again unless somebody lets them in. But I'll just take you on a walk all the way around so you can check it out. And here's the other double gates, and I have to cut that off and cut the zip ties here. But look at, and then as you see, I got my 3 stakes in each panel, and here we are from this side. Think about all of the food that you can grow in a space 150 feet long by 85 feet wide. You could feed a neighborhood with this much space, and or you could make a living growing food here and selling it. Become a local farm, local buyer for your community. They can sign up to get a weekly box of fruit and vegetables depending on what you're growing, and you have yourself a little side hustle. There's so many things you can do. You can become a nursery, start growing fruit trees, berry bushes, and things of that nature that you don't find very often in the nurseries here, but they grow in Zone 4B, and there's people looking for them all the time. And I don't know if you could tell, let me show you one thing that is going to need to be fixed here on this landscape. Notice we just got a rainstorm last night, and look where all the water's running. It's running all right down here, right through this spot here, and then running through here. It's all going this way because it's all slanted, but I might suggest a swale in here to slow the water down, and yeah, and then direct it somewhere else, or maybe even have a pond over here, which you can easily fill a pond right here with all the water runoff. But that's to be that's just an idea for this hobby farm, soon to be hobby farm and event center. But that's it for today. I gotta drive 40 minutes home, then I gotta get all my videos uploaded to YouTube and get all my social media done and get right back on sales and marketing on my website and social media. But if you want to transform your backyard, you have a lake home, you have property that's just sitting there like doing nothing, like behind me. Look at all that space behind me. There is just grass. The amount of food you could grow in this area is just sickening. You have all this land doing nothing but sitting there with green grass on it. Grass is the most useless crop in existence. It's the most widely grown crop that does not produce anything, doesn't produce a yield. And it's the most poisoned crop in the entire universe, other than corn and soybeans and the main stuff that you buy in your grocery store all the time. That's big agriculture. They don't have any problem poisoning you because they can get away with it. But that's for another topic. I'm done today. Get a hold of me to transform your yard into the Garden of Eden. Travis at foodforestabundance.com or foodforesdesign.solutions, and hit my contact form and let's get a design for you. I've said it before, we put trees in the ground until the ground freezes, so it's not too late to get your yard designed and get it planted out. We can do it in phases. We can get all your fruit trees and berry bushes and vining and all your perennials in the ground by the end of the summer into fall, and then next spring you can plant out your annual garden, which is when it's supposed to be planted, and that is a seasonal garden, which takes the most work. But get a hold of me and let's talk, and I look forward to working with you. Look forward to talking to you. Grow food, not lawns, my friends. See ya.